जा जब से आई है she's just sleeping man. Like what is this? You just what? You're not over your trip yet?
No, I'm jet lagged.
Like still?
I'm jet lagged, man.
Okay, fine.
Let's shoot a video.
Yeah.
Let's do this. Yes, go Akriti, do it. I'm gonna do it. Let's do it, Shaurya. Let's do it. Video. Let's do the video.
Thanks for clarifying.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Pretty Little Things. I'm Akriti.
And I'm Shaurya.
And Shaurya, what are we doing today?
We are finally going to do a talking video after so long.
Really?
Yeah.
It's been that long?
Yeah.
Hi guys.
How are you?
What do you think about her voice? Okay, anyway, so what are we doing?
So today, a lot of you guys had actually asked us to review the new Maybelline's Creamy Matte Lipsticks, and you asked us what all shades we have and how are these lipsticks and how do they feel on our lips. So we thought of doing a mini review on all of the lipsticks that we have from the new collection. These lipsticks are available in 12 different shades and we picked out our favorite 5. So Akriti, what do you think about these lipsticks?
So this collection of lipsticks by Maybelline is called the Color Sensational Creamy Matte Lipsticks, and the name says it all. So these are creamy, these are matte, these are sensational, sensuous. So what are we scared of about matte lipsticks? That they're super drying, and this is why I think these lipsticks are amazing, because these are very creamy and these are not drying on your lips at all. What do you think?
So the next important thing that we always think about is how long does a lipstick last on your lips. So this one lasts on my lips for about 4 to 5 hours, but if I have eaten a lot, then I will eat the lipstick as well. But that actually depends on person to person, because this one can hog and not eat her lipstick. But even if I sip water, I'll eat my lipstick. I don't know how that happens. But yeah, so this stays on my lips for 4 hours, considering I eat my lipstick a lot. And how long does it stay on your lips?
For as long as I keep it. I don't know how. Even have you noticed, whenever I'm eating also with a spoon, I don't put my lips on it. I like bite it with my teeth or something, because I don't put my lips on anything, so it stays longer on my face, I guess. I don't know, but that just looks weird. So the other thing which I feel is really good about these lipsticks is that they're super pigmented. So you just put it across, just glide it once on your lips and the color shows. It's like very crispy and bold on your lips, so it shows easily on your face.
So the formula of these lipsticks is very creamy, hence it keeps your lips very nourished all throughout the day or whenever you're wearing the lipstick. But if your lips are really dry, then we'd suggest you wear a lip balm before applying the lipsticks. But other than that, it keeps your lips very moisturized.
So there's one thing that bothers me about matte lipsticks is that my lips get a little cracked after applying it, and that doesn't look nice. But the good part about these lipsticks is that they give you a very nice smooth finish on your lips, and it gives you uncrackable sort of lips, so it stays on your lips for the longest time. It doesn't even give you cracks on your lips, so that's nice.
Because these lipsticks are creamy, after they settle down, they tend to transfer a little. So like while you're sipping on something, or you're like kissing or anything of that sort, they will transfer. So it's not a complete transfer proof lipstick. It does transfer, but not that much.
So like we mentioned, these come in 12 different shades, so you guys might be thinking that you might not find your shade within all of these shades, but let me tell you that if you go through all of the colors that they have come up with, there are all sorts of colors. You have browns, pinks, reds, mauve, orange. So you are going to find something for yourself for sure. I did. What's your favorite shade? Pink, of course. Pink and red, like mostly we love that only.
So let's show them what all shades we picked. So moving to the first shade, this one is a very cute baby pink color. It's called Ravishing Rose, and it's a perfect everyday pink for work or college or anything, so you can wear it throughout the day.
So this one is my favorite. It's called Mesmerizing Magenta, and this is a little darker pink and it's really nice. So this is a little glammed up, so if you want to dress up a little and go out with your friends and you want your lips to stand out a little with your outfit, then this is going to look perfect.
So next up is a red. This is called Rich Ruby, and this one is like a dark, deep red sort of a color, which is perfect for like a night out or clubbing, or if you're out for a dinner. So this would make you look extremely sensuous, and yep, this is how the shade looks like.
So next up is Divine Wine, and this is a darker shade of maroon and it's very sexy. I feel that this shade is going to suit maximum Indian skin tones, and even if you're a little duskier, then this is going to suit you too. I feel this is going to look good on all skin types, even if you're like super fair or if you're a little dusky, it's going to look good on everybody.
Next up is Touch of Spice. Now this one is a perfect everyday nude. It won't pale your skin out. It's like the perfect your lips but better kind of look, and you could use this when you have like a very glammed up face, like your eyes are done up really heavy or something like that. So you can tone your look down by using a nude color. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So these were our favorite 5 from the entire collection. We'd love to know your favorite shade from the collection. Do let us know in the comment section below. And if you're wondering about the price of the product, it's mentioned right here. And there's something else that we need to tell you.
So during one of our last few videos, you guys saw this super cute pillow. This one. And you guys are wondering where this is from because this is like so amazing. Look at this, man. You don't want to do it?
I already do it. Like every morning I get up and I spend like an hour just doing this because I don't know, I'm sleeping and I'm like just, it's so satisfying, I can't even tell you. So yeah, I'm like used to it.
Okay, so these are from the Stylish Homes and we're gonna link it down below. They sent us some super cute stuff, and this rug sort of a thing, if you can see, with fur is from them, and the mat and everything else, those pillows and everything are from them. So I make sure that my room looks all pretty with all of this stuff, so you guys check them out.
So that's it for today's video. We really hope you liked it, and please don't forget to
Like, share and subscribe to
Pretty Little Things.
Bye guys!